In veel sectoren staan verpakkingen steeds meer onder druk om duurzamer te worden en eenvoudiger te recyclen. Tegelijkertijd vragen toeleveringsketens om consistentie, veiligheid en duidelijke informatie op de verpakking. Hoe vouwkartonnen verpakkingen binnen circulaire materiaalstromen passen, wordt besproken met Björn van Cosack.
The recyclability is increasingly important because packaging volumes are so large and material cycles need to stay clear. And the paper and carton board is collected and returns to the paper stream after use, and therefore it's extremely important that the end user separates all the waste, including the paper, correctly, and that affects every one of us. As mentioned, packaging goes back into the paper cycle by household or commercial collections. The material is proceeded into recycled board and can be used again in new products. The process allows the material to be reused again and again as long as the fibers are long enough for this, on average up to 10 times. The packaging project typically starts with the design requirements such as size, protection and information about the packaging. The step from design to production involves tools and setups that ensure the final carton folds and performs correctly. And the artwork and printing specifications are prepared before production starts. The trade fairs help connecting stakeholders across the packaging chain. The packaging industry can show how packaging solutions are used in different industries and applications. And the visitors can compare material structure and print quality in a practical way. And it's always a good place to discuss current issues such as sustainability.
Verpakkingsketens worden steeds internationaler, wat duidelijke specificaties en betrouwbare goedkeuringen essentieel maakt. Van ontwerp en prepress tot druk en afwerking. Technische afstemming helpt ervoor te zorgen dat verpakkingen consistent presteren over landsgrenzen heen.
Sustainable production starts with selecting the ideal raw material for the production. So you have to advise the customer for the right cardboard material. Then it's necessary to use modern machinery in order to reduce emission and energy consumption. Last but not least, it's very important to use renewable energy, for example, a photovoltaic system on the roof area. The standards and certifications are used to structure the quality and safety requirements. They help align the expectations between supplier and customers. And they have to controlled by external audits, and that's very important, especially in sectors like food, for example, the BRC certification. Good communication is always very important, especially across borders. As mentioned, standards and certifications can help, but the personal interaction and the face-to-face contact are very important. And it's easy because of the neighborhood of Germany and the Netherlands. So for German production, sometimes the Dutch customers are closer than customers in Hamburg or Munich. The packaging design and the production are closely connected. Especially in the last years, design more and more considers the recyclability, material reduction and the functionality. And the design can also affect the logistics. For example, how efficiently the boxes can be transported and stored.
Verpakkingen bewegen zich richting duidelijkere materiaalcycli en duurzamere keuzes. Vouwkartons laten zien hoe papiergebaseerde oplossingen kunnen worden ontworpen voor praktisch gebruik en voor recycling na gebruik. Voor meer informatie ga naar www.cosack.de.